Hey fam, today we're at Sycamore Creek Ranch for their fall roundup, and trust us, you're going to love this one. We're bringing you along for all of the fall fun with hay rides, pumpkins, live music, and those cozy autumn vibes that make it feel like you just stepped straight onto the set of a Hallmark movie. So grab your favorite fall drink and come experience the magic of fall roundup at Sycamore Creek Ranch with us, right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. It's all coming at you right after we roll that intro. All right, fam, welcome to Sycamore Creek Ranch with their fall roundup. We absolutely love it here during the fall season. I'm gonna give you guys a look here at the ticket prices, making sure that you guys can see the costs for 2025. And they do have season passes if you wanna come and visit multiple times. And 2 and under is free. So this is where you would check in or you would purchase your tickets and you would sign your waivers with their awesome employees as well. And then you walk into the courtyard area here and you guys will see this is an awesome place that you're gonna hang out, get some of those awesome fall pictures. You can play some beanbag toss. The kids are playing over here. They also have bocce ball. And they have pickleball inside the gathering place there, and sips and snacks with their concession stand. You know that you'll find us there later on. And this is a wonderful fall event that is family friendly, and it is on Saturdays and Sundays in the month of October and into that very first weekend of November as well. Well, girls, there are so many different activities to do here at Sycamore Creek. What should we do first for our first activity?
The slides, of course!
And the girls are getting ready to go for round number 2 on the Super Ranch Super Slide. There they go! Woohoo! All right, the slide was a lot of fun, and now the kids are over here at the cow train. This is a really good activity for your younger kiddos. It's a tractor that's pulling this cow train back here, and the kids are going through the cornfield on a little path, and they go around at least twice, but they have a lot of fun with that. And my kids also pointed out that it's genius that they have activities over here while you're waiting for the cow train, that you can play in the corn bin, let your kids play in the corn bin. They can climb up here on the hay bales. They can go through the tube here and just climb and play and have a good time. And they do have 2 corn bins over here in case one of them gets a little bit too crowded, which I think is awesome for families and kids that are waiting to go on the cow train next. And they'll be coming back around soon. Here they come on the cow train. They're gonna go around one more time here. And they're helping find some scarecrows that have been out in the cornfield. All right, they are off the cow train and now they are off to playing over in this area that I showed you all. Of course, climbing on the hay bales is a classic fall family activity. And that's what they're up to first. And I think they're gonna end up in the corn bin eventually. What do you guys think? And they're trying to bury themselves in corn. Imagine that. What a genius activity in the corn pit. And now we are headed over to the barnyard. We're gonna go see some of the animals here at Sycamore Creek Ranch. This is one of our favorite places to see animals, get to come and pet them. And we actually found out that they have pony rides on Saturdays here at the Fall Roundup. So we're very excited for that. Something that I really love is that they actually tell you the names of their different animals on the signs. And I think that's really special. Not everyone does that. But you can see that they have a donkey, they have alpacas here. Very awesome. Their Jerusalem donkey, his name is Ringo. And they have a mini Scottish Highland cow, Winnie the Moo. Adorable. I want to say that she was much smaller last time that we were here. She has grown. And my kids absolutely love chickens. I think they get it from their Aunt Nene. But you can actually see inside their little coop there where they like to lay their eggs. On Saturdays, they do have the pony rides. They're guided, and it is $6 per person that rides on the horses, but they're guided, they're safe. They are wearing helmets, which is what every rider would need to do. And they'll tell you all about the horses, let you love on them, let you ride them. This is Carson's first time on a horse, actually, which is very sweet, very awesome. Here they go. Hi, Charlie. Very awesome. This is exciting that they have this on Saturdays here at Fall Roundup. So be sure that you come see them right past the animal barnyard. This is Elsa. What a sweetheart. Hi. Hello, how are you? I like your lightning bolt. That's awesome. What'd you say his name is?
Lighter.
Lighter. He's got his lightning bolt.
Yes.
That's awesome because Charlie loves Harry Potter and Harry Potter has that lightning bolt. Very cool. Are you getting a drink of water? Huh? Yes. Are you a sweetheart with your friends over here? Yes, I think so. With Ringo and Winnie the Moo? Yes. Were you watching them go on a hayride? There they go. You have the best view over here, you know that? You do. It's true. So they have where you can even sit on a saddle here and try your hand at some steer roping. Out here by the barnyard animals. It's a good time. Woo! Something else very neat about Sycamore Creek Ranch is that you can actually book a stay here. This is their barnyard bungalow, and it's like a tiny home with a barn type of feel. They also have Conestoga wagons that you can rent. And they are further down. We won't be going to them today, but just to give you a little bit of a view of the size and what they could look like on the outside. But you can book your stay here at Sycamore Creek Ranch. And here at Sycamore Creek, one of the things that we really love is that they have a wood-fired pizza truck right here on site. And this is great if you're wanting dinner or you're wanting a meal while your family is visiting. So you can go and place your order, and then you have plenty of activities that your family can be doing while you're waiting for your pizza. All right, we've got our buzzer. And the thing that I love is that while your pizza is being cooked, there are so many different activities that you can be doing. And our kids chose to come over here to the jump pad. They're ready to make some memories, get some energy out. And there they go. They're having fun on the jump pad. We got our wood-fired pizza. We've had their pizza before and it's very, very good. So we're excited to enjoy more wood-fired pizza and enjoy our family time here at Sycamore Creek Ranch. We've got our slushies, we've got our root beer. I think we're set. What do you girls think? Yes. We have live music playing in the background. Lots of activity going on with all of the families just loving their time here. Let's enjoy. Hey girls, what do you think of the apple cider slushies?
It's like 10 out of 10. Would recommend. They're so good. They're awesome. Like, I've come here again and take it like 500 times. Yeah. If I had a choice to drink whatever drink, it would be this drink.
An apple cider slushy.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Does it taste like really good apple juice?
It tastes like heaven. I can't describe how it tastes. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
And the girls decided to come and play some pickleball. But there's so many other activities going on. They have a football toss right out here. They have a fire pit if you want to go and roast your s'mores. They've got washers going on here. You guys have already seen the Ranch Rider Super Slide. They have a little basketball hoop over here, which I thought was very clever. The Harvest Hoops. It's just a lot of fun out here with families, and I hope you guys can see that. And I hope you have a chance to visit this October and very early in November. Our kids love it, our family loves it, and we hope that you guys get a chance to see it all for yourselves. Our next activity is going to be hopping on the hayride here. They take us around the farm and through the cornfield. Maybe we'll get a little view of the maze here. But we're about to hop on one of the last rides of the evening before it gets too dark. All right, we're gonna hop on the hayride. They've got a scavenger hunt for us. Awesome, thank you.
Oh, wait, we need to get a head to sit on.
Woohoo!
That's cool.
It is cool. You're sitting on the hay bales for a hayride. All right, we've got several things on our scavenger hunt. Let's see if we can find these. Can you hold that still for me? Thank you. Okay, we need to find a pumpkin, a tractor, scarecrow, goat, a wagon, a red leaf, the chicken coop, the donkey, and what's at the bottom there? Hay, a hay bale?
Hey, where are they?
I think we can find those things. What do you guys think? And we're off on the hayride. They've already marked a few things off of their scavenger hunt, but
Everything, Mom.
everything. They found a lot of things already. We're going past the barnyard animals over here. And then they've got the pony and the horse rides on Saturdays right here. And they're taking us down around where their Conestoga wagons are, down at the bottom, and then we get to go through a bit of the cornfield over here. It's a fun little hay ride. They've got blankets for you.
Sit on hay.
Yep, you get to sit on hay on this hay ride. Hey! And we're making our way back to the starting point. We're back here where we started from. And I think the next thing we're gonna do is the corn maze. You think we're gonna find our way out?
I don't think so.
All right, we're gonna take a look at the map and we're gonna take a look from the top view of the corn maze. Okay, you can see people trying to make their way through the maze right over here. Now we've got to make our way through the maze.
There's the ending.
All right, are we ready to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Okay,
Fine.
time us. Okay, here we go through the maze entrance. Right here. A dead end right off the bat. Tricky. All right, Carson does not use the map method. She uses the go wherever you want method. I don't know if that's gonna work out for her. Shortcut, she says. Oh no, a tricycle. Someone help me. The children are leading the way. Charlie says, I'm good, okay? We'll see. We'll see how long this takes us. We are still in the maze. After all these years, We're still in the maze. We made it! We made it! It's like a sweet reunion when you've been walking in a corn maze for 10 minutes. Just a little insider, Paul was up here giving us directions while we were wandering out there. Good job, Paul. And the more natural playground that they have here, the kids love playing on the hill here. They've got a couple of slides on the way down. They've got a tunnel going underneath the hill. I'm pretty sure that our kids have rolled down this hill many times during our family visits to Sycamore Creek Ranch. It's very pretty with the moon up here in the evening and going down the slides and then making their way back up to the top. Carson's gonna do some pumpkin bowling for us. Ooh, she did knock some down, nice. You get one more try to knock the rest of them down, okay? And Charlie found the swings. They have a very beautiful barn venue that they use for weddings and other events that's very pretty over there in the distance. And this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous place, especially here with the sunset.
Hi.
Paul's opening up the s'mores kit. We got this at the concession stand. The girls are ready to make their own s'mores here around the fire. And you all can see that they are done playing the live music this evening, but they usually start playing some pre-recorded music and let everyone enjoy the courtyard. They have several activities that are still going. The games are open until closing time, and so is the pizza oven. And you can come and roast your s'mores for some family time. And this just seems like a really great way to end your evening here at Sycamore Creek Ranch. The girls are roasting their s'mores. What do you think, Carson? Very good.
I would eat this again at Sycamore Creek.
You would eat this again at Sycamore Creek? Me too. Well, fam, it's been a beautiful day at the Sycamore Creek Ranch Fall Roundup. We had so much fun showing you guys around. But until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.
Bye!